So I have this floor vent which is installed at a location next to the powder room where it is blowing too much air. And even after closing this, which essentially means that these vents are closed, I'm still getting more air than I want. So what I'm going to do is install or paste this piece of paper here so that the air can only come out from this and this vent and these. So this will reduce the amount of flow. It's a very simple fix. Wherever you are having more flow than you need, and even after closing these vents, which are opened and closed from this screw, this is how it works. So if you want to reduce the airflow, just paste some hard paper on it, because if it is a soft paper, it will constantly be fluttering whenever the HVAC system air handler is coming on or off. So let me put this here and then I'll show you. So as you can see, I put tape here, tape here, press it properly, and a simple fix. So this is where this vent cover louver will go, and I see there is some wood shavings and other stuff in there, so let me remove that and then I'll install it. So I have cleaned it, removed all the debris from there to install. Maybe it goes in this direction. Nope. Okay, yeah. So this was the direction now. Very nice. Exactly as I wanted. Thanks for watching.